Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's class we learn Negation, negative sentences in German. There are different ways, different types of structures when we talk about negations or negative sentences in German. I have written few examples here. With the help of these examples we learn how to make negative sentence with the help of nicht. First we are learning how to use nicht in a sentence. Nicht. Ich spiele nicht. I am not playing. I don't play. You can see here the position of the nicht is last. I don't play. I am not playing. This is the sentence we write in German. Ich spiele nicht. I am not playing. The position is last. This is subject, this is verb, and this is negative word nicht. Second sentence. Mia geht heute nicht. Mia is not going today. Mia is not going today. Here the position of the nicht is again last, but after temporal. After temporal means time framework. When she is not going today. Mia is not going today. So Mia geht heute nicht. We can also say Mia geht morgen nicht. Mia will not go tomorrow. So first temporal, today, tomorrow, or any weekday, then nicht. So this is our second structure. You have to be very careful while using nicht. Sentence 3. Ich denke nicht an meinen Bruder. I am not thinking about my brother. I am not thinking about my brother. The position of the nicht is before preposition an. Before preposition we write nicht. Ich denke nicht an meinen Bruder. This is the position. You must note down the position and the placement of nicht. Ich denke nicht an meinen Bruder. I am not thinking about my brother. Next sentence. Wir können nicht tanzen. We cannot dance. If we are using modal verb, then nicht is written before infinitive verb or before the second verb, which is infinitive. You know, with modal verb we use another verb in infinitive form at the last position. In this case, nicht is written just before the infinite form of the verb. Wir können nicht tanzen. In this sentence, können is modal verb and tanzen is our infinite form. So the placement of nicht is just before infinite verb. We cannot dance. We cannot dance. And the last sentence I have written here. Die Kinder sind nicht müde. Die Kinder sind nicht müde. The children are not tired. The children are not tired, exhausted. So the position of the nicht is just before adjective. Müde is adjective. So before adjective we also write nicht. The children are not tired. Die Kinder sind nicht müde. Now I will tell you the use of kein, keine. Now we learn negation with kein, keine, keinen. This is another word that we use in German to make a sentence negative. So whenever we have a noun, we make a noun negative or we write about something, a noun, in the negative form. We use kein, keine and keinen. But how do we write keine and when do we write keinen? It depends upon the gender, it depends upon the article of the noun. I have written here in the box, if the article is there, it should be either kein or keinen. Kein for nominative, keinen for accusative. D, if the gender is D, if the article is D, we write keine, and if the article is das, neutrum, we write kein. It means you must know the gender or the article of the noun. Only then you can write this kein, keine correctly. And we use them only before the noun. Kein, keine is used only before the noun. Let's see few examples. Ich habe keinen Hunger. I have no hunger or I am not hungry. Ich habe keinen Hunger. Here the noun is Hunger, article is der. So with der I have written keinen. Mia liest kein Buch. Mia is not reading a book. Here also Buch is the noun, das Buch, and the negation is kein Buch. As I say, if the article is das, we use kein. Ich habe keine E-Mail bekommen. I have not received any email. I have not got any email. So here email is noun with article D and its keine is the negatio. I remember the article. You should also learn the articles if you want to use them correctly. I always say articles are very important and you have to use them in each and every grammar structure. Wir suchen keinen Job. We are not searching job. So job is masculine, so therefore keinen Job. And the last sentence I have written, die Frau hört keine Musik. The woman is not listening music. It is also negative and the music is die feminine, so keine Musik. So that's so simple. You must know the article of the noun and then you can place them before the noun. That's all in this video. I hope you find it interesting. So do share your comment and feedback with us. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.